My brothers, have you ever lost a woman and thought, damn, it was so painful? But what if I told you the pain of losing a man doesn't come when he begs, it comes when he evolves? Welcome to the channel, my bro. If you want to become stoic, hit that subscribe button. Today we discuss how to make any woman feel the full force of your absence. In this video, we will discuss why women don't feel the loss when you walk away. And more importantly, we will discuss how you can actually make them feel the loss hard enough to drive them crazy. And for those of you who are new to the channel, let me explain. Women chase after men who embody these three traits: controlled, confident, and connected. These are the triple C's, and they represent the bare minimum of what an adult woman wants in a man. So if you lack any one of these traits, then you are not meeting her baseline expectations. And she won't fear losing you if she thinks she still has access to you. Access, she'll miss you when the silence becomes deafening. She'll miss you when she realizes that she can't just text you whenever she wants, that she can't just slide in your DMs and get a reply every time. She'll miss you when she realizes that you're no longer the man that she knew. Most men don't realize this, and that's why they send random dick pics to their exes months after being ignored, ghosted, blocked, or even deleted. You see, women won't always say what they mean, but if she meant it, she'll show you. She may tell you, I need space, or I'm not feeling this anymore, but she really means you aren't giving me what I want. So until you meet my baseline expectations, I'm not going to invest any energy into this relationship. So never be afraid to walk away from a woman who isn't ready to invest in you. Don't call, don't text, don't DM, don't try to check up. She needs to feel the deafening silence of your absence. Now, a lot of you guys think that by showing a little bit of attention, like responding every now and then or liking her stories, that you're doing something right. But this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, you're doing everything wrong if you're still sending her signals that she can still reach you. You're still leaving the front door unlocked, meaning she can just walk right back in. But if you really want to make her feel the loss, you need to change the locks, board up the windows, turn off the lights, and sit in the darkness. Only when you completely vanish will she begin to understand what it truly means to lose you. The same goes for your emotions. My brothers, a lot of you guys think that getting angry or sad or depressed shows that you're weak, but that's what you were made to feel. Never let a woman make you feel weak. You see, real power lies within our ability to control our own emotions. That's the whole point of Stoicism, to control your own mind and emotions, regardless of external factors. But do not mistake Stoicism for weakness. Stoicism is not the absence of emotion, but rather the ability to choose which emotions we feed and which emotions we ignore. So if you want to really make a woman feel the loss, then you need to remove yourself from the situation and deal with it internally. Control your emotions. Be stoic. Some of you guys will say, but that's too much work. It's easier just to ghost her. And I agree. Ghosting is easy, but ghosting is for cowards. There is nothing empowering about ignoring someone. It takes a real man to move on from a woman and focus on his own life. It takes a strong man to look at the person he once cared about and say, you are no longer my priority. That's the mentality you must adopt if you want to make her feel the loss. Make her wonder why you're no longer responding. Make her confused. Make her anxious. Show her that she can't reach you. Make her feel like she's losing you. Because you see, you only truly win a woman over when you vanish. And this leads us to the second part of the video. Fire part 2, what actually makes her feel the loss. If you thought vanishing was enough, you would be wrong. You need to evolve. You see, a woman only feels the weight of losing you when she senses that you're no longer the man that she knew. So if you want to really hurt her, you need to show her that you are evolving into a better version of yourself. Now, this doesn't mean you need to contact her or message her or send her anything. No. It's quite the opposite. When you evolve, you show her that you no longer need her. You redirect your focus from her to yourself. You evolve by focusing on your own life, your own goals, your own aspirations. Evolving means that you are no longer looking for her approval or validation. This is what will make her question everything. She asks herself, why hasn't he contacted me? Why did he ignore my calls? Why didn't he respond to my texts? And this is where you truly break her heart. It's not the moment that you disappeared that hurts. It's the moment she realizes that you've moved on and evolved without her. It's the moment she sees that you're happy and fulfilled without her that breaks her. It's the moment she notices that you've become unreachable to the past that destroys her. This is where you make her feel the true pain of losing you. When she witnesses your growth, your transformation, your evolution into a man that she no longer knows, a man that she can no longer reach, a man that she can no longer control. And I know this may seem like a cold approach, but trust me, there is nothing more empowering than knowing that you have evolved into a man that cannot be reached by his past. So how do you actually go about doing this? How do you evolve into a man that she can no longer reach? Simple. You focus on yourself. You focus on your goals, your ambitions, your purpose. You become a high-value man who no longer has time for meaningless pursuits. She won't miss you when she sees that you are evolving. She won't miss you when she witnesses your growth. She won't miss you when she realizes that she's losing her control over you. And this is where you make her feel the loss so hard that she'll beg for your attention. This is where you make her regret letting you go. And this is where you win. You see, the pain doesn't hit when you disappear. It hits when she sees you've become unreachable to the past. I hope this video has helped you understand how to really make a woman regret losing you. Remember, it's not about begging or pleading or chasing after her. It's about vanishing and evolving. It's about becoming a man that she can no longer reach. With that said, I want you to go out there right now and start working on yourself. Start focusing on your goals, your ambitions, your purpose. Become the best version of yourself. And as you do this, remember that there will always be women in your life. Some will love you, some will hate you, some will want you, and others will try to destroy you. But none of this should matter because your journey is yours alone. You are responsible for creating the life that you want. You are responsible for achieving your dreams, and no one can take that away from you. So go out there and make me proud. Go out there and show the world what you're made of. Go out there and evolve into the man that you were meant to be. My brothers, are you tired of the same old advice on moving on from a breakup? Are you looking for a different perspective? One that'll help you truly let go and rise above the pain? Then listen up, because today's video is not for the faint of heart. This is for those men who are ready to take control of their lives and leave their exes behind forever. So get ready to learn how to hurt her so bad that she will regret leaving you. Welcome to my channel, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you never miss an upload again. Let's start with no. 1. Leave her in the past. Let me tell you something. Dwelling on the past is like trying to catch smoke. It's pointless, and it'll only burn you. Except that some chapters in your life are meant to be closed, even if it hurts like hell. It's time to turn the page and write a new story for yourself. Don't let the memories of your past hold you back or define you. Instead, use them as fuel to propel you forward. Channel that anger and pain into action and watch as you transform into a force to be reckoned with. Become everything she didn't see. Show her what she's missing by becoming the best version of yourself. Let your actions speak louder than words. Prove to her that you were the best thing in her life all along. Let her see that you were right about everything, but she was too blind to see it. Make her realize that she lost an incredible man, and that she will never find anyone like you. Make it obvious that you are a prize worth winning, but she'll let you slip through her fingers. That way she will pay dearly for her decision. You see, when you become everything she didn't see, she will be forced to confront the reality of her loss every single day. With every passing moment, the pain of losing you will eat away at her, turning her world upside down. She will be haunted by memories of your love and the potential that you had together. It will become clear to her that she made a grave mistake, and there is no turning back. You have to stay firm in your resolve and don't look back. Don't waste a single moment wondering what could have been or questioning your decisions. Keep moving forward with unwavering determination until you'll reach your goals. Don't let her see you stumble or fall. Instead, show her that you are resilient and adaptable. Bounce back from any setbacks and keep pushing ahead. As you rise above the challenges, she will be forced to witness your strength and resilience. This will only deepen her regret and make her long for the days when you are together. Elevate yourself physically, mentally, and spiritually. When you elevate yourself, you become a completely different human being. Your energy shifts, and she can sense that something has changed. You become powerful and magnetic, and she can't help but notice it. It's like trying to ignore a blazing fire. The more you try to look away, the more it catches your attention. That's the kind of impact you want to make. That's why you must strive for excellence in all areas of your life. Push your body to its limits with intense workouts. Challenge your mind with new skills and knowledge, and connect with your inner self through meditation and self-reflection. Transform your appearance and adopt a style that reflects your new identity. Take care of your grooming. Dress sharply and exude confidence. When she sees the changes in your appearance, it will serve as a constant reminder of the progress you have made without her. It will make her question her decision and realize that she is no longer dealing with the same person she left behind. Speaking of being relentless, let's move on to our next point. Number 4. Stop giving her any attention. Giving her any attention is like throwing gasoline on a fire. It just makes things worse. So don't reach out to her, don't text her, and don't try to be friends with her. Cut her off completely. This may seem impossible at first, but it is essential to break the cycle of longing and obsession. By cutting her off, you send a clear message that you are no longer available. She won't be able to manipulate or control you, and that will drive her insane. You must also avoid stalking her on social media. Don't look at her posts or messages. Don't allow yourself to be tempted by the details of her life. Instead, focus on building a fulfilling life of your own. Fill your days with activities and hobbies that bring you joy and satisfaction. Spend time with loved ones who uplift and support you. Create new memories and experiences that will shape your future. By focusing on your own life, you will gradually fade from her thoughts. She will begin to wonder about you and the choices you are making, and that's when the pain of losing you will hit her hardest. Focus on your goals and ambitions. Once you've cut her out of your life, it's time to set your sights on your goals and ambitions. Now is the time to make moves and achieve greatness. Think about what drives you, what makes you tick, and go after it with everything you've got. Set some ambitious goals for yourself and work tirelessly to achieve them. Whether it's starting a successful business, traveling the world, or making a difference in your community, let nothing stand in your way. When you focus on your goals and ambitions, you become unstoppable. Your determination and drive will inspire others and draw them towards you. Before she knows it, she'll be watching you from the sidelines, admiring the success you have achieved without her. It will be a painful reminder of what she lost when she decided to leave you, but you won't even notice it. You'll be too busy crushing your goals and living life on your own terms. Remember, when you focus on what you want, you attract what you desire. Don't wait for her to come back. Waiting for her to come back is like waiting for a ship that never arrives. It's a futile endeavor that will only lead to disappointment. Why? Because she's probably not coming back. So don't hold your breath, waiting for something that will never happen. Instead, focus on building a future that doesn't depend on her. Here's the harsh truth. She may never come back, no matter how much you wish for it. She may have moved on or found someone else. You must accept that she may be gone for good, and there is no guarantee that she will return. It's time to stop fantasizing about a reunion and start planning for a future without her. Build a life that doesn't revolve around her. Pursue your dreams and aspirations without the expectation that she will be there to support you. You are capable of creating a fulfilling life on your own terms. Trust me when I say this, your life is in your hands. Don't wait around for someone else to make you happy or successful. Take control of your destiny and create the life you want. 7. Regret is born in the silence of your not in the noise of your frustration. Look, here's the reality. It's easy to get caught up in the pain of a breakup and let the negative emotions consume you, but you must resist the urge to lash out or seek revenge. True strength comes from staying silent and letting your actions speak for you. When you remain silent, you deny her the satisfaction of seeing you suffer or hearing you beg for her forgiveness. You become a puzzle she can't solve, a mystery she can't understand. This will drive her crazy because she won't be able to predict your moves or figure out how you're feeling. It's like trying to extinguish a flame with water. The more you try to put it out, the more it grows. That's all for today, my young Stoic warrior. Next time you hear from me, we will talk more about Stoicism. But for now, you have the advantage. She doesn't know what hit her. He who can walk away always holds the power. Until next time, keep being relentlessly yourself, and remember, she will regret leaving you. The Stoic spirit.